Hi guys, welcome to this journey of joy. Stoked to be with you and save you from some hot water. If you have forgotten that it is Mother's Day, May 10th, in a matter of days, I'm here to save you. I have 6 last-minute ways to recognize your mother and say, I love you, thank you for all of your hard work. Let's get going with number 1, and that is a card, guys. It might be too late to get it in the mail, it might not, depending on where you live. If it's too late and you live close to your mother, simply put it in the mailbox or put it on their front doorstep and let them know how much you care. I feel really lucky this year because I bought that a few weeks ago for my mother and found out she was actually gonna come visit here. So super stoked about that. If you are looking for a little bit of a discount on cards and you know you have to get one for grandma and you wanna get one for your mother-in-law and you wanna get one for your wife, then I happened to luck out and find 3 cards for about $10, and there was a coupon at HEB for $3 off, so that might help you save just a little bit of cash there. So our number 2 way is the Favor app, Favor, and you can have your mom's favorite dessert, maybe it's coffee in the morning on Mother's Day, or even her favorite dinner sent to her. And the good news right now and the bad news is, since we're going through tough times and we want to help a lot of local businesses, the bad news being tough times, the good news being they're offering some free deliveries and some discounted deliveries. So just check it out depending on which restaurant or which coffee shop that you choose, and it will help support a local business. Our number 3 way is, if you have a wife that perhaps has kids that are too young to really recognize how much work that the mom does, well, if you're a husband, you can cook your wife dinner, or maybe if you're a son or a daughter, you can cook your mom dinner if you don't have to do social distancing. If you are having to do social distancing, then you'll pick among these 6 which ones you can do. So for number 4, if money is super tight right now, which I know it is for a lot of people, then you could maybe go on apps like OfferUp, Let Go, even Facebook Marketplace. Go to the free section, and there are a lot of cool items on there. It might be one that you need to sand down and get ready, or it may be one that's already ready to go. I know different finds on there. For example, one of my friends needed to finish a rock garden, and they found a contractor who needed to get rid of a ton of rocks because they didn't want to haul it to the dump. And those rocks look gorgeous in their yard, and that may have cost a few $1,000s based on the types of rocks that was, and they were able to get those for free. So you might find a footstool for your mom. Maybe it's her being able to reach something as simple as something in her pantry. So think about those things, or it might be that your mom's been asking you forever to fix something in the house, or for that painting, she wants one of your paintings that you do. Remember those sorts of things. All right, the 5th thing that you could do is a plant. Okay, it doesn't have to be this, guys. It doesn't have to be that big. That just happens to be one of my favorite plants. It could be something as inexpensive as a lavender plant. I've seen them as inexpensive as $2 all the way up to $10, even more than that if you get really flamboyant. However, you can get her a simple plant, and whether you can see her or not, write a card to her that says, I would love to plant this anywhere of your choosing. And it's a perennial plant, so it will come back year after year after year if you've chosen the right one. And every time she looks out at her yard, she'll think, that's that family member who loves me. I'm loved. And that's an amazing feeling. How about if all else fails though, and you're just saying, okay, none of those work. Jessica, what do I do? Well, we have apps like the House Party app. We have FaceTime. We have phone calls. And what is the one thing that your mom probably wants from you more than anything? Just time with her sweet, precious babies, or daughter, son, whatever it may be. So I think after all the years our parents have probably put up with us, or our mom, that we could give them a little bit of our time. So pick up that phone, give her a call. And as a bonus, you could even write her a poem, or maybe it's draw her something, and you could send it to her later in the mail, but just show her a picture. You could make a video and send it to her on Mother's Day, and maybe it's just a little song that your family's created, your nuclear family has created, and you send that to her on your phone. You can get creative with this. So that's kind of 6+ bonus ways that you can last minute recognize your mom. So go out there, tell her that you love her, and you're going to bring joy to someone else's life, and subsequently it's also going to bring some joy to your life. That shouldn't be your focus, but hey, it never hurts. The more joy you spread, the better life can be. So I hope this helped you out. We have tons of of new videos that are going to be rolling out that can add simple joys to your life over the next few weeks. Super stoked what we have coming your way. So anything that you heard in this particular video, any of those apps, I'll have them mentioned below so you can check that out. Happy Mother's Day if there's any mothers who are watching this right now, and have a great week. I'll see you on the next Journey of Joy.